good afternoon, good evening, guys, depending on the time you're getting this video recording. Once again, my name is Dafson Pixel, a graphic and brand identity designer. Welcome to day 2 of Design for Growth. Like I promised that each day of design challenge you'll be getting a video recording to upscale in your graphic design skill. But today we'll just create a simple flyer in pixellab. So okay, let's go to our pixellab app. Okay, now most times when you have design brief, most times when you have a client to work for, the first problem you encounter is, how do I go about this flyer? Or do I explain how to get design inspiration in my last video? So now I'll be explaining how to go about the flyer design, just a simple one. Okay, without me wasting time, let's just import an image I have here. I have image here. Okay, this. Sorry. Let's import this here. Yeah. Okay, let's increase the size and let's put it here. I won't waste much time, just watch as I place the element and all of that. So let's lock it, shape, and let's give it a color. So when you are designing on pixellab, learn to pick your color from the image you are placing in your flyer. Now for this shape, let's just come to color and click on this icon and click on the image so that we can pick this green, although we can play around it to get something more better. Okay, let's go with this. Yeah, this makes sense. I love this. Okay, let's reduce the size a little, or let's increase it. Okay, let's give it radius and bring it down a little. Okay, this is okay. Let's give it shadow so that it will make it realistic. Let's go to shadow, give it shadow and increase the flow. Then come to color, so come to this opacity and reduce it. This is okay. Let's lock this too. Oh, let's centralize it. Centralize. Okay. Now I love doing something in my flyer most time. I'll just create another shape, then I extend it. Okay. So let's do a radius of like 5. Okay, 7 is okay. Then the opacity will be reduced to 0 and the stroke will be reduced to 2. I use 2 most times. So let's give it the color of white. Yeah. Sorry, this is the stroke color. Let's give it white. Let's centralize this too. You can see this is making sense. You don't need to bombard things in your designs, you just need to place things accordingly, centralize where you need to centralize, proper alignment. Most time I use grids. This is grids here. I use grids so I can say my designs will not pass this line, and I'll lock it. Then I'll make use of that. So any text I'll be writing on this side will not pass this line. So all you need to let your design make sense and look good is just to make use of alignment. Alignment in design is very, very important. So make sure you put that in mind when designing. So let's just write something random. Yeah, something random. Let's see 2026. No, let's say 2025. So 2025 stroke 2026 jump. Let's jump tutorial. Let's jump and then in this here. Change the color to white. Sorry, Let's use green. Okay, let's leave it as green. And then I'm going to change the font to yes, I'll just use regular, use regular. This is maybe take a little. So let's make sure it's touch the line. Let's make sure it touch the line. Though there are different type of alignments: center alignment, left alignment, and right alignment. So this is, I think, right, no, left alignment. Let's just keep to the left alignment. Let's log these two. Then I'll write tutorial. So that one will be very, very big. I think we should have it in capital letter. Tutorial. Let's increase the size. Okay, let me unlock this. I would love to do something. Just watch. So this, let's give it semi bold or probably bold. Let's give it bold. And also, you don't need to bombard fonts. You can make use of the typeface, then you make use of the font families. Font families are the regular, thin, bold, and all of that. So let's come to the gradient and click on the plus icon. Here I'll just pick from the cloth. Let's pick from this shape. Okay, and let's use the deep part. Let's reduce it so that it will be a little darker. Then this side, let's pick. Okay, sorry. This side, let's click on the image again. Then click on the lighter parts. So you can edit it from these three distance. So these three rectangle, that's where you edit the light part of the particular color, the deep part, the transparent part. After you've changed the color in this way, let's click on the distance again, the shape again. And now I'll just use the second one. But this is okay. I'll change this. I'll bring it this way. You can see it a little. This is okay. Can you see this? Can you see this? As for this, I'll just extend it a little. So come to line spacing and increase it. But this is not what I want, bro. Just to get something, to explain some stuff. Okay, let's write few text. Let's say you can get free jam tutorial at let's see David's Academy. You can get free jam tutorial at David's Academy for science students, for science, art and commercial students. Okay, let's bring this in. Okay, let's give this color this work. Let's use black. Then I would love to watch my distance here. I would love to highlight jam tutorial at David's Academy, and I'll make that the green color we are using. Can you see that? Can you see that? You can see it makes sense that way. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Now I would love to change this 2025 to 2026. Okay, I wrote 2025 to 2025. Sorry, let me correct that to 2026. So I would love to change that to black. Let's change it to black. Yeah, black would be more better. Yeah. This is okay. Let me adjust this. is cool. Now, without complicating things, let's just add this thing here, a small square here, and give it a radius of probably 10 is okay. And let's give it the gradient color we created. Can you see this? You can see a very simple file, very simple one, but creative, very creative. So I think this is cool. Let's just mark it and let's log this too. Then we create another one on it. Create another one on it. But this time around, we give it 100% radius. Radius of 100%, and give the stroke. Give the stroke of just 2. 1 is okay, and this color. Sorry. With this color. Yeah. So let's go to shadow and give it shadow. Let's choose the color we used the other time. I mean this transparent black. And let's reduce the blur radius to 5. 5 is okay. Okay. Now let's set it this way. Here we can just write our services. Be what you learn here. What you learn is okay. What you will learn. Can you see that? Can you see we are getting something crazy without wasting much time? Let's see, make it 4 pins regular. See, I don't use more than 4 pins, and that makes sense. Nothing more than 4 pins. So let's make this black. Yeah. This is very interesting. In fact, I'm falling in love with the player already. Oh, wow, this is nice. You can see just white and green, just white and green. Although I can mix the color, but as for beginner, going to complicate things, then for the background, let us tilt it a little. Don't let us use white. So let's just come here and come to this color and click on plus icon, stretch it here, and then bring this here. So this is okay. Can you see? Can you see it's better than the white? So although there are some ways to blend your background, but as for this, you can still go with this. You can add what you learn here, like mathematics, English, and all of that. You can add the subject, add the call to action, contact. You can see, let's import I have some icons here. Sorry, I have some icons. Oh, come. Okay, I couldn't find. Because this time, so you can just add your icons here, and you are good to go. So if you need a video on how to navigate your pixellab interface, you can drop that in the comment section and I will send it to you. So this is how to design a simple flyer. You can complete this yourself. This is how to design a simple flyer on pixellab. Thanks for watching. Do well to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to that video like this next time. Thank you.